Whether you've just moved to a new home, are building your dream space, or just want to refresh, you want an impeccably designed home that reflects your personal style without the stress and hassle of trying to pull it together yourself. We're thrilled to launch Cantoni's first virtual studio here in Austin, a city that embraces innovation and creativity. When you work with Cantoni's virtual studio, a dedicated designer will come to your home, take measurements, bring a curated selection of swatches and finish samples, and collaborate with you to create a stunning design. With our pieces, you will be surrounded by heirloom quality and innovative design. We can create custom-made furnishings for you, working directly with our network of manufacturers from around the world. Our designers use the latest technology to provide you with detailed 3D renderings and comprehensive design plans, ensuring every detail is perfect. You get to sit back, relax, and watch your dream home come to life. We look forward to bringing our unparalleled design services to your home. Discover the future of interior design in Austin.